Every day, roughly 20% of the world draws their drinking water from a karst aquifer. However, a clear majority of them have never even heard the word karst before. So what is a karst? The word karst originates from the German language around the 19th century. Kras is a plateau in Slovenia. The word itself means barren land. Karst is an area of land made up of limestone, or calcium carbonate, which is a soft rock that dissolves in water. Karst are often characterized by sinkholes, caverns, caves, and underground streams. But how does a karst form? These landforms are created by water dissolving the limestone bedrock over many thousands of years. The carbonic acid that causes karstic features is formed as rain slowly seeps through the atmosphere, picking up carbon dioxide, which thus dissolves in the water. Once the rain reaches the ground, it may pass through soil that can provide much more carbon dioxide to form a weak carbonic acid solution, which dissolves calcium carbonate, leading to dissolution of soft rocks. However, in particular, in very rare conditions, other mechanisms may also play a role. Karst formation is all about drainage. Karst areas are typically devoid of surface water because all the water is channeled underground into the sinkholes and caves which karsts inhabit. We can compare karst features to plumbing. Sinkholes are the drains and caves are the pipes. The entire state of Florida is a karst region. Although the entire peninsula has karst activity going on underground, there are only certain areas of the state where it is visible or accessible. Most of the documented karst features in west central Florida are within 300 feet of land surface, although cave divers have explored deeper passages in submerged caves. Karst features in west central Florida play a dominant role in the hydrogeologic framework of the region. Urban development in karst regions present unique problems for land and water resource managers and can potentially impact both land and water resources if not managed adequately. So, how do karsts affect us in the Tampa Bay area? Hillsborough County, Florida is a karst region that is heavily urbanized. Thick carbonate deposits underlying most of Florida comprise the Floridian Aquifer System. The Floridian Aquifer System is the principal aquifer in Florida and is among the most productive in the world. Karst processes typically develop zones of enhanced porosity within carbonate rocks, creating a highly heterogeneous aquifer system with rapid rates of groundwater movement and recharge. When fertilizers and other agricultural chemicals are applied to land surface in a karst terrain, they are often transported rapidly into aquifer materials where they degrade the groundwater quality. All these examples demonstrate how activities associated with urban growth can increase the susceptibility of karst aquifers to contamination from surface water drainage. Karst terrains contain many natural resources and provide valuable ecosystem services, such as fresh water for human consumption, aquatic ecosystems and agricultural irrigation, a great biodiversity both at the land surface and in the underground, landscapes and caves with high recreational and cultural value, and soils that provide the basis for agricultural production. Karsts are the home of many touristic and recreational destinations, such as the Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, the world's longest cave, and the Carlsbad Cavern in New Mexico, among others. They are a big part of science and environmental history, and they play an important role in scientific fields of archaeology and paleontology. Most of Florida is prone to karst-related impacts on land and water resources. Cave and karst areas are fragile and easy to contaminate. With knowledge comes the responsibility to take care of these areas, to manage wisely using science to provide guidance, and to make decisions that give the